Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing Tesla stock, to see what's going on with the price and how the recent news is affecting it. We'll be looking at both the recent news headlines and the chart data to try and make some sense of the market movements. Starting with the recent news, Tesla has been making headlines for a number of reasons recently. One big story is their new partnership with Volkswagen, which has been viewed positively by some investors as a way for Tesla to expand its reach and resources. On the other hand, Tesla has also faced some negative news, including a recall of their Cybertruck due to a potential fault in the drive inverter. These mixed signals could be contributing to the volatility we see in the Tesla chart. Now let's take a look at the Tesla chart, starting with the daily chart to get a broad overview. The daily chart shows that Tesla has been trending upwards since the beginning of the year, but it has recently pulled back from its all-time highs. The recent pullback has been attributed to a number of factors, including the news mentioned earlier and concerns about the company's valuation. Looking at the chart, we can see that Tesla has found support at around $250, which suggests that buyers are stepping in at these levels. On the other hand, Tesla has also faced resistance at around $350, which suggests that sellers are stepping in at these levels. This resistance level could be a key area to watch in the coming days and weeks. To get a better understanding of the short-term price action, let's switch over to the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart shows that Tesla has been consolidating over the past few days, which suggests that buyers and sellers are battling for control of the price. This consolidation is likely due to the uncertainty surrounding the recent news and the upcoming earnings report. Looking at the recent price action, we can see that Tesla has found support at around $330 and resistance at around $350. These levels are consistent with the support and resistance zones we saw on the daily chart. It's important to note that the 1-hour chart is a short-term time frame, so these support and resistance levels may not hold up for extended periods. Finally, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see the very short-term price action. The 15-minute chart shows that Tesla has been quite volatile in recent hours, making it difficult to identify clear trends. However, we can see that Tesla has found support at around $320 and resistance at around $330. These levels are consistent with the support and resistance zones we saw on the 1-hour chart, but again, these are short-term levels that may not hold up for extended periods. Now, looking at all the charts, we can see that Tesla has been consolidating around a key resistance level of around $350. If Tesla breaks above this level, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. However, if Tesla fails to break above this level, it could signal a return to the support level of around $250. In the short term, TSLA's price action will likely be influenced by the company's upcoming earnings report. If the earnings report is positive, it could boost the stock price. However, if the earnings report is negative, it could pull the stock price lower. In the long term, TSLA's price action will likely be driven by factors such as the growth of the electric vehicle market, the company's ability to scale production, and the success of its new products like the Cybertruck. These factors could lead to significant price movements in the coming months and years. To summarize, Tesla is currently facing a key resistance level around $350, a potential support level around $250, and a short-term consolidation pattern. The company's upcoming earnings report will be a major catalyst for the short-term price action, while long-term price movements will be driven by factors such as the growth of the electric vehicle market. I'll be watching the price action closely to see how Tesla reacts to these key levels and events. I'll be sure to update you on any significant developments in the coming days and weeks. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts and good luck with your trading.